welcome back to our channel. I'm Dorothy.
And I'm Darshana, and as you all can see, we both are in a very different attire today. This is the traditional dress of Assam called Mehla and Chador.
Yeah, and don't get confused with sari because although we have draped it similarly, but it's very different. It's actually two different pieces, a mekhla and a chador. And today we are going to show you a glimpse of our culture and tradition.
If you all don't know, we both belong from Assam, and today we are at the religious place of Assam called Namghar. Namghar is basically a place where we offer prayer to God, and today we are in a Namghar. As you all can see, it's behind us. It's in a place called Mariani, which is some kilometers away from our home. So
And our grandfather actually contributed to build this, and so our parents are here today invited as guest of honor. And yeah,
and we also came along with them.
Yeah.
So we will try to keep you all along with us. Like
And
today, our event called Born Arm is happening here, and some kids are also playing there. That's why you can hear the sound. So yeah,
so we are going to try to show you as much as we can.
yeah, we
And
will keep you all along with us. And now we are going inside the Namgarh.
So without any further ado,
Let's
get
get
started.
into the video. Bhagavad Gita is a holy book in Hindu culture, and in our tradition, we believe in spreading positivity and divineness before starting any auspicious event.
So today's celebration was really divine, and it is known as Bor Hobha, and it is usually celebrated after the ending of New Year, Assamese New Year, which is Rongali Bihu, and it happens during the month of April to
June.
yeah.
But this time, because of the pandemic and this situation of the whole world, we couldn't celebrate it that time. But finally,
Yeah, finally. Not finally, but since the situation is slightly better and the city is not under lockdown, they have decided to celebrate it in a very small scale.
before starting the event, as you all can see in the video, a person is carrying Bhagavad Gita in top of his head. That is actually our culture and tradition. They carries the Bhagavad Gita in top of their head and they roam through the village. It symbolizes spreading positivity and divineness through the whole village, and they pray for the well-being of all the villagers.
But because of the current scenario, this could have been done, so they just limited the journey of the Hubajatra within the boundary of the Namghar, and then our parents were honored and led inside the Namghar.
After this, all the people get inside the Namghar, and we started with Bor Nam.
And we're really sorry we couldn't film it because we thought it would be disrespectful.
Yeah.
But we will surely let you know what happened inside.
Yeah. After all the people get inside the Namghar, they sit according to rows, and there are different traditional prayer books of Assamese language, and then they start off with the prayers which we call Nam in our traditional language, and after that.
And after that, they were led to the dining area where rice pudding was served, which is kheer with our traditional Assamese prasad, and it was super tasty.
And after that, the Bor Hobha come to an end. But trust me, Bor Hobha is not only this much. It's a day full of events. At the night, we used to have Bhavna. Oh my God, we missed Bhavna a lot this time. You remember our childhood days?
Yeah, when we were kids, we used
Yeah.
to be so excited and we used to stay up till 2 a.m.
Yeah,
watching
actually,
that.
there is a Namkor in front of our home also. We like always used to go there and watch Bhavna. Okay, you people might be wondering what Bhavna is now. So Dorothy is gonna tell you what Bhavna is.
So, Bhavna is a form of entertainment which conveys religious message. In the early 16th century, Mahapurukh Himanta Sankardev wrote this, and it was his idea to convey religious messages through entertainment. Don't you think it was clever?
Yeah, and we should be super proud that till today Bhavna is, it's there in our blood, it's there in our soul, and even today's generation is taking it forward. We should be super proud of this, and we are so sad that this time we couldn't experience it. But for you all to know what Bhavna actually is, we are going to put a old clip of Bhavna so that you all can also experience it. And here it goes. Watch the video.
So that's all for today's video. Hope you all liked it and we could show you a glimpse of our culture and tradition. So stay tuned with us for more videos.
Yeah. And if you like today's video, then please hit the like button and spread this video with all your loved ones, with your family. And please let us know in the comment section if you have any suggestion for us to know. And please subscribe to our channel to explore Assam along with us. Till then, stay healthy and spread happiness. We love you all. Bye bye.